Now, I heard some things about this tree and I wanted to see it for myself. It's the National Tree Company Artificial Slim Christmas Tree. This is the North Valley Spruce. Comes with the stand, everything you need. Stands about 9 feet tall. And it's packaged. It's an artificial tree. Comes in a couple different pieces so you can take it apart and put it away until the next holiday season. Fits together smoothly, easily. There's no lights on this one, so no messing around with no cords or anything, and that's nice. We like to put our own lights on there. So what you have to do is you have to do something that Felicia calls fluff and puff, as we do on the Fresh and Felicia show on Amazon Live. So we open each one of these branches. Yes, it's going to take a little time. No, if you just open it, it's been crushed in a box for who knows how long. Nice stand too. Very, very stable. But look at the results. Once you fluff and puff your tree, I don't see any empty spots. Do you? I mean, it looks like a legitimate tree that you cut down in a forest. And the height, it is actually over 9 foot. We bought a 9-foot tree and it's like 9 foot and a couple inches when you measure the highest branch on the top. So it was perfect. You can see how it all comes together here with little hinges. And again, you can bend a lot of these to your whim any way you want and make it look like a real, legit, beautiful, fully full Christmas tree. Fully full. We put some decorations on it. We added some lights and the thing is just gorgeous. This is an excellent buy. It's an excellent tree. We're in love with this thing and you'll see it on our show.